Let's come to chapter 7, Houses and Clothes. In this chapter, we will learn about home sweet home, a good house, types of houses and clothing. Now come to warm-up exercise. Here some animals are given and here their houses are given. So we have to tell their house. House of it is shed. House of horse is stable. House of dog is kennel. House of hen is coop. Housing and clothing is very important part of our life. It is our daily necessity. So now let's read different types of houses and clothes, and we should also understand about its importance in our life. Now come to home sweet home. We all need a place to live. What we call that place? It is our home sweet home. A house is a place where we live and feel safe. You know, our house protects us from sun, rain and wind. People live in different types of houses. Different types of houses are hut, tent, caravan, houseboat. These are different types of houses. So most people live in one place for a long time. They live in permanent houses. And some people move from one city to another because of their jobs. They too live in permanent houses. But some people keep moving from one place to another. They live in temporary houses. So, hut is the most common temporary house. This is a tent. Many Jawans and scouts, they live in tents. Caravan, this is the house on wheel, which is called the caravan. This is the floating house. Have you seen this type of house? This type of house can be seen in Kashmir and Kerala. Now come to what are houses made of. We all know that houses are made of different materials like straw, mud, dry leaves, bamboo, wood, bricks, cement, tiles and stones. People build houses with materials which they can get easily. This is the house which is made up of wood. This is the house which is made up of stone. This is the house which is made up of straw and mud. This is the house which is made up of snow. In hilly places, people live in houses that are made of wood. When Inuit go hunting, they build igloos for snow for shelter. Now understand different kinds of roofs. Different houses have different kinds of roofs. Some houses have the flat roof, some houses have the sloping roof. Those places where we have heavy rainfall, they have the sloping roofs. Now look, this is the flat roof. This is the sloping roofs. Sloping roofs are basically made so that when the rain comes, it will not collect there. Now come to a good house. So there are some qualities that should be there in a good house. A good house must have plenty of sunshine and fresh air. There must be lots of trees near a good house. We must look after our house and it's our duty to keep our house neat and clean. For this, we should empty out the waste paper basket every day. We should not throw things on the floor. We should keep our toys and books at their proper place. Now come to clothing. Clothes are also very important for us. Clothes cover ourselves. Clothes also protect us from the sun, wind, rain, and cold. We all know that we have different clothes in different seasons. This is the season of winter, as people are wearing woolen clothes. Woolen clothes keep them warm. This is the summer season, as they are wearing light cotton clothes. Cotton clothes keep us cool. This is the rainy season, as people are wearing raincoat and they are having umbrellas which protect them from rain. Now come to summary. A house protects us from the sun, rain and wind. Some houses are permanent while others are temporary. Different materials are used to build houses. Some houses have flat roofs, some have sloping roofs. A house should have plenty of sunshine and fresh air. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and wind. Now come to exercise. Come to A. Oral questions. Do you feel safe in your home? Yes, I feel safe in my home. Which is your favorite dress? Here you have to write your favorite dress. Is your house a good house? Yes, my house is a good house. We cross out the wrong option. We feel safe in our home. Houseboats are found in Kashmir. Inuit make igloos when they go hunting. Keep your home neat and clean. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Now come to C. Fill in the blanks. We live in and feel safe in our house. Hut and tents are temporary houses. In hilly places, people live in houses made of wood. We wear a raincoat when we go out in rains. Now come to D. Answer the following questions. Why do we need a house? A house gives us shelter from the sun, the rain and the wind. Name any two types of temporary houses, hut and tent. Name any three materials used for building a house, bricks, cement and iron. Name any four things from which our clothes protect us, cold, heat, rain and wind. Now come to project idea. In this, what we have to do? We have to go around our neighborhood and make a list of the different types of houses that we see in our neighborhood. Then you have to draw them in your drawing book.